Today guys, i-review natin ang Nothing Ear 1. And I have both colors here on my table. And of course, quick word of thanks to our friend from Digital Walker for these buds. And of course, if you want to grab them, do feel free to check them out at Digital Walker. I'll be posting on the description box below. And kita natin na both colors are really nice. But I can say that the white really does stand out. And i-prepare natin both sa Android phone, sa iOS, and of course, sa Nothing phone to see kung saan siya magpe-perform better. But I believe that this should be able to perform better with a Nothing phone. So tara, simulan natin with my unboxing experience. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, kita natin the unboxing of the Nothing Ear 1. And I can see that yung case is really unique. Kita natin na it's transparent. Dito meron pa siyang bilog na probably ganun pwede mong hawakan ng ganun para hindi mag-slip siya out of your hands, which is pretty nice. And sa side, meron siyang reset button and of course ang kanyang charging port. Then, on the side, ito ganito itsura niya. And itong bakal nandito is a magnet. Then, this is on the other side. And this is sa likod. Ito ang kanyang hinge. Inside, kita natin na ganito ang pag-settle niya. Ang dito ang kanyang charging pin. Lalapag mo lang gano'n. And it's charging. Sa likod, meron siyang wireless charging capability. And sa mga phones na may reverse wireless charging, you can use it. And it's very useful. Dito sa Nothing phone, all you need to do is drop-down menu, battery share. Lapag mo lang. And charge. Ganun lang. Kita mo, it's charging dahil merong red dot dito sa charging case. Now, connecting the Nothing Ear is pretty straightforward. O-open mo lang siya. Makita mo pag on ang yung Bluetooth, magpa-pop out later yung Nothing Ear, no? So, kailangan mo ilabas isang buds para magkita-kita sila. And yan, kita mo, Nothing Ear. So, ko-connect mo lang siya. All you need to do is just click connect. Okay. Isi-set up niya. So, this also happens in some of the Androids na na-try ko, but not all. Okay? So, you can set it up. So, kailangan mo i-install yung app na naka-dedicate sa kanya. And ganito magiging itsura niya pag once na naka-set up. So, kita mo ilang battery ang left mo, ilang battery ang right mo. Then, you can hear, you can touch. Okay? So, there's a lot of things that you can do dito sa Nothing Ear 1. So, you can choose your equalizer, more bass, more treble. Depende sa inyo, no? So, I have tried this one. Nilaro ko siya, no? And I was listening to Spotify. I can say na, uy, okay ah. Parang if you're listening to a song na mas bass, nilagay ko sa more bass. So, parang feel ko mas siya, mas immersive siya yung pag-listening ko, no? But first things first, yung kanang noise cancelling is definitely good. Dahil sinet ko siya sa maximum kanang noise cancellation. So, the moment na nilagay ko sa tenga ko, nag-start ako mag-play ng music, wala na ako halos narinig sa aking background, which is definitely nice. So you can also set the transparency mode dito. Okay, then of course, pwede mo i-off. Okay, so depende sa inyo. So it's how you use it, that's matter. So meron din siyang C, no? Yung C80 is yung sa case kung ilang percent pa natitira. So there's yung touch niya. Okay, so pwede mo i-control ang kanyang gesture dito sa left ear, kung anong pwede mong gawin. Okay? Ito yung pinaka-importante sa slide on stem. Okay? So how do you slide on stem? Dito, slide mo ng ganon. Okay? Volume up. Ganon siya, kadalasan volume up, volume down. Now, one thing na na-notice ko sa it's a good feature to have, but it's still not perfect. So hit or miss siya. So sometimes pag touch mo, tutunog siya, pero volume. Magsasabi siya ng volume. Pero hindi gumagalaw. There are times na miss siya, no? And I hope na ma-improve ni Nothing. Definitely, it's one feature na gustong-gusto ko dito sa Nothing Ear 1 is yung kind of volume control dito. And haven't really seen it on other buds though. So definitely, it's a good feature to have. And other things na pwede mong kalikutin dito is the triple tap, si tap and hold, si double tap, kung anong pwedeng function mo magawa. So sa left ear, pwede mo i-set. Sa right ear, pwede mo rin i-set. So up to you. So here are other settings na pwede mong ilaro. So in-ear detection, i-on mo. So magpe-play lang siya, no, kung nasa tenga mo, and hindi siya magpe-play pag nakatanggal sa inyong tenga. Latency mode, okay? So normally pag magi-gaming ka, you want to set it to low latency mode para mas ma-feel mo, no, better experience pag naglalaro ka ng game, no. Kahit watching videos, no, sometimes medyo mas delayed, but it's okay. So dahil meron siya latency mode, and of course you want to always keep itself updated dito sa firmware update. And nung unang beses ko sining itong Nothing Ear sa akin Nothing phone, immediately nag-firmware update siya. Otherwise, ayaw na sa akin paggamitin, no? I don't know why, but well, it gives me the best experience possible dahil updated ng kanyang firmware. So I have no problem with that. And yung alam medyo may katagalan lang ang updating ng software, ng firmware. So you need to be a little bit more patient, lalo kung mabagal yung internet. So mabagal lang yung updating. So pwede ka rin mag-find my earbuds here. Okay? You can play some sound. So this is how it sounds like pag find my buds, no? Okay, so it's a little bit irritating pag narinig mo. Pero yung high-pitched na sound niya lets you find the buds kung, let's say, nasa ilalim ng kumot, nasa ilalim ng pillow sa sofa, or somewhere na nakatago dahil sa sobrang liit niya, sa sobrang cute niya. It's hard to find, especially a black. Nako, ang hirap hanapin. Mas okay pa nga yung white, mas mabilis hanapin kung nilagay mo sa somewhere dark na sofa. Here are some other settings na pwede mo kalikutin. Pwede ka mag-dark theme. Pwede mo i-set ang iyong notification. Pwede ka mag-submit din ng feedback para mag-improve ang Nothing Ear 1. And you can check yung About app. So you can also join the improvement plan para, well, matulungan ng Nothing Ear to improve on their future updates dito sa Nothing Ear 1. Now, listening to some of the music, of course, I cannot show yung mga music na pinapakinggan ko from Maroon 5, from other artists. So, I might get a copyright strike. So, I did show dito yung mga songs na pwede natin mapakinggan. So, I did try some non-copyrighted songs here while checking it out. So, I did try some mga songs na malakas ang treble, some songs na mababa ang bass. So, it's one of the buds na gusto ko siyang gamitin. And it's really rocking my ears for the past 3 weeks. And I love it. I think I'm in love. By far, pairing it with the Nothing phone, the experience is nice. So, we'll check sa Android and sa iOS. So, right now, guys, try natin itong Nothing Ear 1 dito sa akin iPhone 13 Pro. And, click lang natin ang Nothing Ear. And, well, it's as easy as that. Naka-pair na si Nothing Ear. And what I need to do, guys, is just simply move this one up and down. Makita natin, gumagalaw ng volume natin. No? Though it's not perfect na every single touch, gagalaw siya, no? There are times na hit and miss siya. Okay, so probably that's something na kailangan improve ni Nothing. Of course, is itong touch, no? Not always working perfectly. Ito natin. Diba? Hindi siya lagi gumagana. Actually, I did listen to some music dito sa Apple Music. And I can say na itong buds is really working perfectly together with the iPhone. But of course, syempre yung experience ko with the Nothing phone together with the Nothing Ear 1 is probably a bit better as compared to having this one on the iPhone. Syempre, it works best together with its own, same brand. But nevertheless, using it on iPhone is, I can say, enjoyable. And definitely, if you have a white device like this one, parang medyo na-associate ka sa mga iPhone na stuff eh. And it's really elegant if you paired it together with this one. I mean, di ba halos perfect sila together? Listening to songs like pop, like rock, and some hip-hop music and R&B, I can say that this buds gives me the experience that I'm looking for on a TWS. Very simple, very elegant, and I love the way that it is. And probably the only thing na medyo nahirapan lang ako is just to volume control it. It's not always working like it's supposed to be, but there are times na okay naman siya, no? But times na medyo tinotopak nga lang siya, hindi gumagana pag tinatouch mo siya. Overall, the sound is quite balanced on the iPhone and I have no problem with it. Pairing it is definitely okay pagdating sa mga controls. Tapping it to go to the next song and other function is working pretty nice. Now, trying to pair this one with my Android phone, there are times na nagpa-pop up siya like this one, and there are times na hindi siya nagpa-pop up, no? Probably the only thing that's different from this one is this is a China ROM na phone from Xiaomi, and I just want to try on another Android device na hindi Nothing. So all I need to do is just click Nothing Ear dito, and just it's simple as that. Mag-prepare siya in a few seconds. Pair, then tapos. Boom! Paired ka na. So you can see how many percent na lang naiwan sa yung battery. Kita natin na I only have 10%. Kita natin I only have 10% left. So probably need to charge in a while. Now, I just want to make a quick game test dito together with the Nothing Ear, together with the Call of Duty Mobile. So, gusto natin makita, no, kung okay nga ba siya for gaming, kung okay nga ba low latency nito. So, ikakabit ko lang sa akin tenga. So, I can try it if it's really nice. So, before I can tell it to you. So, let's just play a quick game nitong Call of Duty Mobile para masabi ko kung gaano ka okay ang kanyang sound, no? Kung maglalag ba siya, hindi. Dahil meron naman siya low latency and meron din siya noise cancelling. So, gusto natin i-feel dito sa game na ito. So after playing several rounds dito sa Call of Duty Mobile and some other games like Asphalt 9 and PUBG, I can say that fairly the sound is great. And yung kind of low latency is working simply perfectly, and tinatry ko siya pakinggan, no? Doon sa gunshot, doon sa response ng screen versus dito sa narinig ko sa akin tenga, it's almost at par. Wala akong nafe-feel na loss dito sa sounds dito sa Nothing Ear 1. And it's really great. I was able to enjoy it lalo na yung kanyang noise cancelling is in effect, I can say na it's definitely something that you should try, if you're one of those gamers out there na wants a trendy na TWS in your ears together with a really nice sounds and really nice na low latency. I think the Nothing Ear is something that you should try. So after this review, I can say that the Nothing Ear 1, after being paired to the Android phone, to a iOS phone, and to the Nothing phone, which is of course an Android phone by default, now I believe that the Nothing Ear 1 would work best together with a Nothing phone in terms of yung kanyang functionality. Maybe let's just say na it's built to pair with a Nothing phone at the end of the conversation. But of course, it's easy to use sa Android phone and sa iOS, wala mo problema. It's just that some other Android na phone, hindi na pop-up ang connect, pag magko-connect ka for the first time, makita mo yung pop-up, hindi siya nag-a-appear. On some other high-end phones, nag-a-appear, like sa Huawei nag-a-appear, then some of my Xiaomi phones hindi nag-a-appear. So, it depends, case to case. I'm not sure why, but well, that's how it is. Now guys, if you ask me if I can recommend this one, the Nothing Ear 1, for me, definitely it's a yes. If you like something na kakaiba in terms of design, in terms of functionality, it's really eye-catchy. I can say it's really good. But if you're audiophile na medyo maselan sa sound, I wouldn't say that this probably is the best sounding na TWS I've ever tried. Probably there are other better ones out there, but if you want yung better bass, better treble, isa-set mo pa siya manually, hindi siya mag-auto-detect. But if you are yung casual user, ginagamit mo lang siya pang tawag, pang listening to music, pang movies, and for a little bit more gaming, this one is definitely the one for you. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na rin ang bell icon para di na ma-miss ang mga future uploads dito sa akin channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?